All right, dreamers, listen up. I'm about to share a visualization secret that the wealthy elite don't want you to know. This technique is the real deal. It's helped people from all walks of life manifest mind-blowing amounts of wealth, and it's time for you to get in on the action. See, most people think visualization is just about picturing what you want, but Neville Goddard, the legendary teacher, unlocked a deeper layer that takes it to a whole new level. His method taps into the subconscious in a way that aligns your energy with prosperity on a cellular level. By the time we're done here, you're going to have the power to manifest money, success, and abundance like a true master. No more struggling, no more scarcity mindset, just a clear pathway to the wealthy, fulfilling life you deserve. So stick around until the end, because this visualization secret is about to change everything. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button to join our community of manifestation rockstars. Let's do this. What is visualization? At its core, visualization is about harnessing the power of your imagination to make your dreams come true. By vividly picturing your desired outcomes, emotions, and sensations as if they are already happening, you prime your subconscious to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your goals. Scientific studies have shown that visualization can enhance performance in athletes and boost creativity in various fields. We will discuss them in detail later in the video. This technique sends a clear message to the universe, aligning your energy with your desires. But how exactly does this work? When you visualize your goals vividly, you reprogram your brain to focus on those desired outcomes. Your brain processes visual information more efficiently than any other type of information. This is tied to the law of attraction, which suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring corresponding experiences into your life. By focusing on positive outcomes, you attract success and fulfillment into your life. This is where Neville Goddard's technique comes into play. Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher, emphasized the power of visualization in manifesting desires. His most effective method? Using the I am statement. For example, to manifest wealth, you would say, I am wealthy. This method aligns your energy with your desired outcome, sending a clear message to the universe. By assuming the feeling of your desired state, you rewire your assumptions into positive beliefs. This is known as the law of assumption. Let's dive deeper into how to practice this powerful technique. The first step is to get crystal clear about what you truly desire. This clarity is crucial because vague goals yield vague results. Spend some time reflecting on what you really want. Is it financial freedom? A luxurious home? A thriving business? Be specific. For instance, instead of just wanting wealth, define what wealth means to you. Is it having a certain amount of money in your bank account, being debt-free? Or perhaps it's about having the freedom to travel the world. Once you have a vivid picture of your desires, it's time to bring them to life through visualization. This isn't just about seeing your goals. It's about immersing yourself in them with all your senses. Picture your desires as if they are already happening. Close your eyes and imagine every detail of the scene. If you're visualizing financial success, see yourself opening your bank account and seeing the numbers you desire. Feel the excitement and relief of financial security. To make this even more effective, engage all your senses. What do you hear in this moment of success? Maybe it's the sound of a cash register, or the quiet hum of a luxurious office. What do you smell? Perhaps it's the fresh scent of new leather in your dream car, or the ocean breeze from your seaside home. What textures can you feel? The smoothness of a credit card, the crispness of new banknotes, or the plush comfort of a designer sofa? Immersing yourself fully in these sensory details helps convince your subconscious mind that these experiences are real. Your brain can't distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. So the more detailed your visualization, the more effectively it can align your subconscious mind with your goals. Here's a practical exercise to get you started. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Start by visualizing a simple goal. Let's say you want to manifest a new car. Picture the car in vivid detail: the make, model, color, and interior. Imagine sitting in the driver's seat, gripping the steering wheel. Feel the car's engine purr as you turn the key. See the dashboard lights come to life. Drive the car in your mind. Feel the road beneath you and hear the sounds around you. Another powerful tip is to visualize this scene regularly. Make it a part of your daily routine, especially during times when your mind is most receptive, like right before you go to bed and right after you wake up. These are moments when your subconscious mind is most impressionable. Revisiting your visualization during these times helps embed the scene into your subconscious mind more deeply. Writing down your wishes is a powerful step in the visualization process. It reinforces your goals, making them more concrete and tangible. Keep a manifestation journal where you describe your desires in detail. So, let's take this moment to manifest our desires and send a powerful message to the universe. Write down your intentions in the comments below, and let's collectively create a wave of abundance and prosperity. Affirm with, in 2024, my earning potential is endless, just like my joy. Let's talk about the scientific studies that back up the power of visualization. It's not just a mystical concept. There's real science behind it. Research has shown that the brain cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. This phenomenon is often referred to as mental rehearsal and has been extensively studied in the context of sports psychology. For example, a study conducted by Dr. Blaslato at the University of Chicago involved participants who were divided into 3 groups to test their ability to improve free throw accuracy in basketball. The first group practiced physically every day for an hour, the second group only visualized practicing, and the third group did nothing. Astonishingly, the group that visualized their practice improved almost as much as the group that practiced physically, showing a 23% improvement without even touching a basketball. Further research has highlighted how visualization can enhance motor skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. In one study published in the journal Neuropsychologia, researchers found that visualization activates the same neural networks as actual physical practice. This means that when you visualize achieving your goals, you're essentially training your brain to act as if those goals are already happening. Another study from the Journal of Consulting Psychology demonstrated that people who used visualization techniques to imagine themselves achieving their goals were more likely to experience increased motivation and confidence. This is because visualization helps to create a mental blueprint of success, making it easier for your brain to follow through with the necessary actions to achieve those goals. In the realm of personal development, Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist and author, has conducted numerous studies on the effects of visualization and meditation on the brain. His research indicates that regular visualization can change the brain's neural pathways, leading to new, more positive thought patterns and behaviors. This supports the idea that visualization can help you reprogram your subconscious mind to align with your desired outcomes. Moreover, a study published in the Annual Review of Psychology found that visualization can reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being. When you visualize positive outcomes, you are essentially practicing positivity, which can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional state. These scientific studies reinforce the effectiveness of Neville Goddard's visualization techniques. By vividly imagining your desired outcomes and immersing yourself in the sensory details, you are not only aligning your energy with your goals, but also reprogramming your brain to help make those goals a reality. Visualization isn't just wishful thinking, it's a powerful tool supported by science that can significantly enhance your ability to manifest your dreams. Now, let's address some common mistakes that people often make when practicing visualization. One of the most significant errors is focusing on the negative aspects of what you desire. For instance, if you want to manifest wealth, avoid visualizing yourself struggling with bills or feeling stressed about money. Instead, concentrate on the positive aspects of having wealth, such as the freedom to make choices, the security of a stable financial future, and the joy of being able to provide for your loved ones. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits of your wealth, like traveling to beautiful destinations, living in a luxurious home, or supporting charitable causes that are close to your heart. Another common mistake is doubting the effectiveness of this method. Visualization requires a deep belief in its power. If you catch yourself thinking, "This won't work for me," or "This is too good to be true," you are undermining your efforts. It's crucial to trust in the power of visualization and believe wholeheartedly that it can work for you. Affirm to yourself that you are worthy of achieving your dreams and that the universe is conspiring in your favor to bring your desires to fruition. Additionally, avoid being impatient with the process. Manifestation takes time and consistent effort. Just like planting a seed, it requires nurturing and patience to see it grow. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Instead, keep practicing regularly and remain confident that your efforts will pay off. Celebrate small victories along the way, as these are signs that you are on the right path. Now we reach the most exciting part. Let's elevate this practice even further by integrating gratitude into your visualization routine. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, creating a positive feedback loop that attracts more abundance into your life. Start your day with a gratitude practice. Upon waking, take a few moments to reflect on what you're thankful for. This sets a positive tone for the day and primes your mind for successful visualization. You can mentally list things you're grateful for or write them down in your manifestation journal. Next, incorporate gratitude into your visualization sessions. When you visualize your goals, do so from a place of thankfulness. For instance, if you're visualizing financial success, imagine feeling grateful for the wealth and abundance that is already on its way to you. During your visualization, thank the universe for bringing your desires to fruition. As you visualize yourself living in your dream home, mentally express gratitude for the comfort, security, and beauty of your new environment. This practice of preemptive gratitude reinforces the belief that what you desire is already yours. End your day with another gratitude session. Before going to bed, reflect on the positive experiences and accomplishments of the day. This helps you end the day on a positive note and programs your subconscious mind to look for and create more positive experiences. By consistently practicing gratitude, you create a mental and emotional state that is conducive to attracting and manifesting your desires. Combining gratitude with visualization helps you stay focused on the positive, keeps your vibrations high, and opens the doors to receiving even more abundance. This synergy of visualization and gratitude transforms your entire outlook, making you a magnet for wealth and prosperity. By unlocking Neville Goddard's secret visualization technique and integrating gratitude, you can manifest wealth and transform your financial life. Remember to practice consistently, avoid common mistakes, and maintain a balance between desire and gratitude. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on manifesting your dreams. See you in the next video.